So first we're going to detangle the hair. You want to get hair that's tangle-free. And then you're going to measure it on your head. Fold it over one time to get that thickness, and then you're going to cut it where it naturally separates. And you're going to take your time to measure twice. You're going to measure it to make sure the clips go in the right place. All right, detangle once again. You want no knots. And now you're going to thread your regular needle, not a weave needle, not a curved needle, just a regular needle, because you want it to go through the holes of the wig clips. And don't make your thread too long because it can get tangled. Now I'm just positioning my wig clips where the clips are. And now we're going to start sewing. Take your time. Now, this whole process took me about an hour to do, but if it takes you more, then that's fine. And now the clips are in the closed position. I'm going to show you later what the open position is, but you want to sew them in the closed position. And you are sewing at the top of the clip. You want to make sure that the clip is not loose, it's not wobbly, or your clip-ins are going to get wobbly. So you're going to follow the holes of the clip perfectly. You might miss like 2 holes on the side, but that's fine. And see, now we're opening our clips. See, I went ahead and I did the side clip-ins that are smaller, and that's 2 clips, 1 clips at the side, at the lower side, and then these are all the back clip-ins, and I placed them in the order that they're going to go on my head. And I'm using 2 colored hair. I'm using the 1B and the 1. Take your time when you're doing your clip-ins because you don't want to you want to make sure that there's nothing showing, that there's no tracks, there's no nothing. And you want to make sure that in between clips there's hairs to cover so the clip has something to adhere to. Keep brushing to make sure there's no tangles. All right, now I'm doing the side pieces. And see, the sides are naturally to the length of my hair. This hair that I'm using is about 18 inches, and it is the premium human hair, in quotations, human hair. Like, you don't have to get fancy hair to do this, just has to be able to curl and be tangle free. All right, I didn't curl this look because I wanted to keep my hair straight, okay? I am not trying to put no curls in this long lusciousness. But you see how beautiful my hair is looking. It looks natural. It blends extremely well, and that's what you want from your clip-in extensions. All right, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. You know what to do, and all the details are going to be in the comment section below.